Hello children, this is Dhanalakshmi, your art teacher, welcoming you all to today's online art class. In today's class, let's learn how to draw a snowman in a snowball. In this month's festival theme, that is Christmas, we are going to learn how to draw a snowman. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, let me draw a circle using a free hand. Please try to draw it free hand, or you can take a help of a compass. Later, try to draw the base as shown. I draw 3 steps here using curved lines and horizontal line. Now draw some vertical lines in between for detailing. Now let me draw the snowman body. Then I draw some curved lines to make the snow. Now let me draw the face and the pointed lines for his sharp nose. Now I use some horizontal lines to make his cap. Now draw his eyes and a smiley face. Now use some straight lines to make his hands. This is a very simple drawing, children. Now I use some circles in between to show the snow. This completes our picture. A beautiful snowman is ready. Now let's see how to color that. For the base, I use dark brown. First I outline all the lines and give vertical strokes. Later, I color the background of the snowman using light blue color. I color his nose with red and color his cap with the colors of your choice. Here I use purple, red and green to color his cap. Once I have done with the cap, I move upon coloring the vertical blocks in between. I use light green and pink to color it alternatively. It is your choice completely. You can use any of the colors you like. Once I have done with the light green and pink, my picture is ready. Wishing you all a very happy Christmas. Hope you liked today's drawing.